Hello everyone, this is a brand new video series of Azure DevOps. In this video series, we are going to see 30 videos in 30 days. I'll be providing the playlist URL in the video description. Please do watch all my video. So in our earlier video, we have created this particular project as well as user story, task, epic. So everything we have created from our last video. In this video, what we are going to see is issue and bug. So what is the difference between an issue and a bug? When you can raise a bug is, let's say for example, if you're working on something and because of it application got broken or because of it some issue got created. So in that case, you can create a bug. So when you can go with the issue, let's say for example, your work got blocked because of some third party application is down, or they are yet to release a new version, or they are yet to provide the API key. So these kind of items you can track under issue. Now let's proceed to create a bug. So for this example, what we are going to do is assume like while working on this, Google login, because of some issue, the login button itself got disabled or login page is loading very slowly. So let me create a bug for it. So just go here and create a bug. And here you have assignee and you can assign to the people who is going to work on it. Let me select this, and if you wish to add a tag, you can add a tag from here. So let me add a tag. You can add a number of tags from here, and let me save this first. And if you click on this drop down, after saving, you get to see these many state whether the current bug is active, resolved, or closed. And here you have area path. So this belongs to application solution and dev team. So this area path we have created from our last video, and iteration will be seeing it in a separate video. Now let's proceed to retro steps. Repro steps means steps to replicate. So how we can replicate this issue? So for this issues at the first step itself, meaning like whenever we are going to the home page itself, we are facing the issue. Let's say for example, if the issue is occurring in some other pages, you can just put the complete steps how you can replicate it. And system info. So in system info, we will be declaring the software and the system config. So if this bug is created via a tool, these fields will be automatically filled up, but we are raising this bug manually. So let me add a system info. And if you scroll down, you can add a discussion over here. You can chat with your teammates over here. You can add a comment over here, and it has blue italic underline. So all these kind of options are available over here. And if you see here, story points. So what is a story point? Story points, it's up to you. You can keep any unit of measure for story points. Let's say for example, hours or days, you can keep it, or you can even keep it ratio. Let's say for example, if I'm saying if one story point is equal to 2 days, then I can put up like 5, which means this issue could take 10 days. Likewise, you can add a story point. So let me put it as 1, which means it is going to take 2 days. And priority. So here you have 4 priority. Priority 1 means it is the highest priority, and 4 means the lowest. I'm setting the priority to 1. We will come to this priority. Now severity. Severity means how much it is impacting the application. Actually login page itself it is not working, right? So which means it is a completely critical one. So now what is the difference between priority and severity? So let's say for example, I have set it the criticality as 1 and priority as 1. I started working on it, but I need some input from some other team, or I got blocked. So in that case, I can put it to priority 2 and I can work on some other item. So this way you could do. And third is, what is this activity? So activity means this particular work item is related to what? Whether it is related to deployment, design, development, or what it is. It is related to development, right? So let me add over here. And you have estimated hours. So how many hours it could take? I am adding it like 16 hours. So how many it is remaining? 16, because I haven't even started working. Let's say for example, I have worked like 4 hours today, and rest of them are pending, which means I will be updating like this. And one more thing is that, let me save this. And While closing this bug, you need to make sure this is 0 and completed is 16. Or in case if you are able to complete within 14 hours, that is also fine. Just update original estimate is 16 and you are able to complete within 14 hours. And while closing it, just click on closed, and here you will find resolved reason is popping up. You could customize this one as well, which we'll see it later. Now let me switch to active itself and let me save this. We need to attach this bug to the user story, right? So just click add an existing item. I'm going to add a parent for this, which is login with Google login, so which is this particular user story. So let me add a link and let me save. So now let's get back to work item, and this time we will go with issue. Before we proceed, I like to highlight that it takes a lot of effort to make a video like this. So I request you to hit the bell icon as well. And super thanks is now enabled on our channel. If you wish to contribute, I would really appreciate it. So let me add a title to it. So here Google API key is not yet received. Maybe some email, because with this only I could be able to work on that login functionality. So I could add up something like this, and if I want to add a tag, I could add, and description, I'll be just describing what is the current issue it is. So Google API key is not yet delivered to our mail ID, something like that. So, and discussion is same as we saw in bug. Here you have stack rank. So what is a stack rank? This is different from priority. So even for priority 2, you could add like, hey, there are some other tasks as well. If I put it as 1, so this is the next item which I'm going to work on. If I put it as 3, I have 2 more issue to address. After that, I'll be just looking on it. And here you have link as well, which you could add. And here you could find due date. So before when this issue going to get fixed. So it may take 3 days. So I'm going to add up something like this. I could add time as well. I have provided like 9 a.m. If you see this, I just expanded, and let me minimize. And here if you could find the history. So whatever you got updated, the entire history along with the time, it will be here. And you can add an attachment like PDF or image, you can add up here. And in case if you want to get notified about this, you can just have a custom, or just you can receive all notification from this work item. And let me save it. And that's it on this video. We have lot of concepts to cover. I request you to hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I'm uploading new videos. Most importantly, super thanks is now enabled on our channel. If you wish to contribute, I would really appreciate it. Follow me on LinkedIn to stay connected, and I will be providing the URL for WhatsApp and Telegram link in the video description. Please do join. Thank you. Bye bye.